Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So while the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves designed for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern. Simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beautiful crochet flower ideas. Different styles, different colors, beautiful ideas. Very nice. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. And good comment in comment section. You can see 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless gloves design. Follow my channel, like and share my video. Good comment in comment section. Press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.